What do you do when gastric acid surges up into your esophagus and disrupts your daily activities? That uncomfortable feeling doesn't just interfere with your day. It can really affect your quality of life. In this video, I'll teach you 2 simple massage points for quick relief from heartburn or GERD discomfort. These easy techniques can be done anytime, anywhere. 5, 4. Ready to relieve your pain in minutes. 1 and done. The Neiguan point. The Neiguan acupoint is located on the palm side of the forearm and 2 inches below the wrist, between the palmaris longus tendon and the flexor carpi radialis tendon. With your other thumb, massage this point clockwise for 1 minute, then counterclockwise for 1 minute. Repeat on the other side. Now let's do the practice, shall we? Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Do it on both hands. Tai Chong point. Tai Chong point is located on your foot about 2 finger widths above the place where the skin of your big toe and the next toe joint. Do put some pressure on this point and move in circular motion for 2 minutes. Now let's do it together. Start now. 3, 2, 1, and done. Do this on both feet as well. When you experience heartburn, reflect, and burning sensation, what can we do? Don't worry, follow this massage. All you need to do is use your fingers to massage downward in this way, stimulating blood flow to the stomach. You can also massage this spot, gently massaging downward like this. Take care, and I look forward to our next session together.